Iron deficiency is one of the most common nutritional problems worldwide, leaving millions feeling weak, tired, and low on energy. But the good news is, you don't always need supplements or medication to fight it. Nature has already provided us with powerful foods that can restore your iron levels and boost hemoglobin naturally. If you've been struggling with constant fatigue, dizziness, or even brittle nails, your body might be sending signals of low iron. Imagine fixing all that simply by making smart choices in your daily meals. Today, we're revealing the best foods that work like natural medicine and how to make iron absorption more effective. Spinach, lentils, pumpkin seeds, and red kidney beans are some of the richest plant-based sources of iron. For non-vegetarians, lean red meat, chicken liver, and fish can quickly improve hemoglobin. But here's the real trick. Pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C, like adding lemon juice to spinach or having an orange with lentils, can dramatically increase absorption. At the same time, avoid drinking tea or coffee right after meals since they block iron uptake. Simple changes like these can transform your energy, immunity, and overall health. So if you want to boost hemoglobin naturally, start adding these iron-rich foods to your diet today. Stay consistent, stay healthy, and let your body thank you with renewed strength and energy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.